When I found this vintage Louis Vuitton bag at the Goodwill outlet bins, I knew it was the perfect candidate to try out Louis Vuitton's online repair service. This is my first time trying out the service, and I'm taking you guys along with me. So the first thing you got to do is set up an account with their app, take photos of your item, and fill out their form. You can do a video or phone call, but I chose to do an email write-in. I explained that I was really looking for a new strap and a zipper puller replacement, and that I was aware there was damage on the bag they probably couldn't fix, but anything else they could fix would be great. Next, you'll get a pricing quote from an LV care expert that has assessed your request. You can track this whole process under My Care Services in the app. It can take about 6 weeks from start to finish, so make sure you're following my account to see any update videos.